Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you what's inside of Turkish Airlines business class amenity kit. Please remember to follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So let's take a look inside of Turkish Airlines amenity kit there. As you can see, you have the nice Istanbul bag here. That's a toothbrush that you have inside of there. Let's pull that out. So you got a toothbrush. Got some stickers here to let you know to do not disturb if you want to be fed. Socks, earplugs. Here's some body lotion. Antipodes, lip balm, toothpaste, and an eye mask. So those are the contents of Turkish Airlines' latest business class amenity kit. Now I got this flying in January, so just thought I would show you the contents of it so you know what to expect. As always, thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.